Mesothelioma Lawyer in Pennsylvania. At this time, asbestos exposure is the only known cause of mesothelioma. As such, if you or someone you know has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be able to recover financial compensation for your injuries. Asbestos exposure is not your fault. Your employer or perhaps a manufacturer may be held liable for your exposure. An experienced mesothelioma lawyer in Pennsylvania can look over your particular case to determine how to best represent your interests and bring the responsible party to justice for their negligence. Mesothelioma is a form of cancer that affects the mesothelium, the lining that surrounds the lungs, heart and abdominal cavity. Mesothelioma is primarily caused by prolonged exposure to asbestos, a substance that was primarily used in construction and manufacturing for many years before its dangers were fully recognized. A person may become exposed to asbestos directly or indirectly. Working at a plant that manufactured asbestos would be an example of direct exposure. And working or living in a building where asbestos is present. Family members of victims of asbestos exposure may suffer exposure themselves if any particles are present on their loved one's clothing. When a person inhales asbestos, the fibers may irritate and cause scarring of the mesothelium, and this in turn can lead to the development of malignant cells. As healthy cells are turned into cancerous ones, mesothelioma has a long latency period and may not be diagnosed for anywhere.